To troubleshoot Wells Fargo account setup, start by ensuring you have the necessary information and documents ready. This includes your account number, social security number, and a valid form of identification. First, go to the Wells Fargo website and click on the Login or Enroll option. If you are a new user, select the Enroll option and follow the prompts to enter your account information. If you encounter any issues during this step, verify that your account information is correct and try again. Next, check your internet connection and browser compatibility. A stable internet connection and a compatible browser are essential for a successful account setup. Try using a different browser or device if you are experiencing issues. Another common issue is password or username errors. Make sure to enter your credentials correctly. And if you are still having trouble, try resetting your password or username. You can do this by clicking on the Forgot Password or Username option on the login page. Additionally, ensure that you have enabled cookies and JavaScript in your browser, as these are required for the Wells Fargo website to function properly. You can do this by going to your browser settings and selecting the options to enable cookies and JavaScript. If you are still experiencing issues, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can help resolve any technical issues that may be preventing you from setting up your account. You can do this by going to your browser settings and selecting the option to clear browsing data. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Wells Fargo customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on setting up your account. You can reach them by phone or through the Wells Fargo website. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully troubleshoot and set up your Wells Fargo account. Remember to always keep your account information and credentials secure, and never share them with anyone.